My hellos to everybody and assalamu alaikum. Hope everybody's doing fine and I hope everybody stays healthy. I'm focusing on being healthy too these days, and I'm trying to use as many natural ingredients as possible. It's like red onions, fresh vegetables, a lot of greens, and a lot of water to keep us hydrated. Okay, so let's get started. That's what we have here: cheese, baby greens, um, tomatoes, salt, black pepper, cumin, and red onion. And I have whole wheat buns. So I'm going to cut them into half and make open face sandwiches. So that's what you can do too. Just, try to eat as healthy as you can because of this virus going on. This is those I get individually wrapped, so they're fresh. The freshness stays for longer than the regular, open buns. So that's what I'm going to with this serrated knife. Cut it into half, back and forth, and goes all the way down, and you will see nice and smooth cut. There you go. It's whole wheat, so it gets extra special treatment. Okay, I have those, like I said, salt, pepper, and cumin, fresh tomatoes, red onion. If you can find shallots, the shallots are even better. Shallots are those small little red onions, and they are very, very healthy in boosting the immune system. And just they're small. Alrighty, so I have some pre-cooked beef and cabbage that I fried up a little bit. You can bake it if you want. You don't have to fry it, and it's already spiced. So I will top my sandwiches with that meat. Slicing the onion as thin as you can because you don't want big chunks in the mouth. I don't mind. I already have one small onion in the morning, some raw onions, and since there's no cure for this virus yet, so everybody's telling to boost the immune system, and those little red onions are really good, so try them with a grain of salt. Alrighty, I think that should be enough. It's 3 to 4 slices per sandwich, and the cheese is going to be, it has 8 grams of fat. Okay, we're ready. And 1/4 cup of cheese per open sandwich is good. That's the amount per serving for 8 grams of fat. And there are no sugars in cheese, so no worry about that. And I'm going to place it directly on the bun because this way when it melts, it will cling to the bun and it will make it less bitter. That gives my husband an excuse if he eats a bitter bread. I don't want to eat it. It's too bitter. So when I have whole wheat, that's what I do. I try to make it less bitter for the picky eaters. Alrighty. So like I said, 1/4 cup are 1/4 cup is 8 grams of fat, and it's mixed Mexican cheese. There you go. I'm gonna leave a little bit behind to top the greens with it. 1 handful of greens per sandwich. They are baby greens. We have arugula, baby spinach, baby romaine, and the other lettuce too. There you go. And make sure you carefully pick out whatever. I already washed and cleaned them already, picked out every leaf that looked a little bit sick or yellow. But still there's some sneaky ones you can always find here and there. Like this one is still pretty good. This yellow one, I think it's baby romaine lettuce. Okay. So 1 handful mixed with the cheese. Yummy. All right. There's so much noise around this building. It's always, the voice is always messed up. There's always something going on in this area. Alrighty, so let's top it with a little bit more cheese so the greens can cling to. This way they will not be falling, you know. All right. Okay, a slice of 2 of sliced tomato. Use any tomato. If you want to use the beef tomatoes, that's good. If you want to use another kind, go ahead. Around 2 slices per sandwich will be good. I'm not too big on tomatoes, but these days I'm having them without any objection. Alrighty. It's already looking good. There are 3 to 4 slices of onion per sandwich. Looks good. Smells yummy. If it's up to me, I will just have them like that. But to fill up the tummies for my guys, I gotta make sandwiches so they can have some form of grain. Okay, so the reason for that meat is when you are cooking for guys and you want the guys to eat healthy, whatever you will top with the meat, they will not say no to it. Just a little bit of black pepper, salt, and cumin, zeera. Just a pinch. That's good. Unless you are strictly vegetarian, you can't say no to a little bit of meat on whatever sandwich you have. You're making it, add some meat to it, and the guys will just gobble it up. And it looks pretty as a topping too. So, you know, a few pieces per sandwich. It's already cooked, so I'm not going to give it too much time. I will give it between 15 to 20 minutes at 350 to 400 if you want to do it fast, because everything is cooked and the greens don't need that much cooking. I like them a little bit, you know, still in shape. Don't want to get them too mushy, but 15 to 20 minutes is pretty good time. If you want to make it extra crispy, give it 5 more minutes after 15 on the broiler, under the broiler, and you will have the top nice and crispy. But me, I think I'm taking them out after 15 minutes. So here they come. Bismillah, bismillah. Nice and yummy. The buns, the bottom is nice and crispy, still soft from inside. The greens are gone down a little bit. The cheese is melted. That's perfect for me. Nice, yummy. Alrighty, so I'm gonna serve it with coffee today, and I'm gonna use, you know, fill up some glasses of water, and without asking the guys, I will just place the water next to them, because I want them to keep drinking water, keep themselves hydrated. So that's a way of encouraging them. Otherwise, you know, they won't touch the water. So for you guys too, please keep drinking a lot of water, stay healthy. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your family and friends, and give me thumbs up. I will appreciate that very much. And make them and let me know how they come out. It's simple and easy. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you later. Bye bye. Khuda Hafiz.